Man, I sure do want some. I sure do want some Gushers. Been laying here for 3 days, and oh, there's Gushers right there, conveniently. I don't know who put them there. Oh, hi there. I'm Joe from History and Reviews, and today, phone went off. Today we are reviewing fruit Gushers. They gush because they're filled with jelly. I don't know if you guys remember these. They were sorry, that's fruit Gushers. They were extremely popular, and I remember eating these when I was like a little snot-nosed kid, like 5 or 6 years old. I love these, and the only reason I really love them is because like the jelly inside. You don't find a lot of candies that have like jelly inside, but it's so satisfying when you get to eat a gummy that has jelly inside. So 6 come in this little box. Nostalgic fruit Gushers. We have strawberry splash and tropical flavors. So yeah, fruit flavored snacks. You guys know all about the fruit Gushers. They are just the most nostalgic snack ever. So let's open it up. Oh, yep, open it up right there. Let's get a pouch out. Here we go. It still looks the same. It's got the Gusher design and that little splash on the front. Oh gosh, I'm dropping them. I'm so excited. So it has the same sort of like feel. The wrapper, it's like really stiff. Let's open it. Without further ado, let's try them. It looks like we have strawberry splash because there's no tropical colors. I'm disappointed. Just kidding. It's tropical. There's green. Yeah. That is as if you took a unicorn, pulled its hind legs apart, and ate its rear end. It tastes like the fruitiest, gushing thing. Tastes just like I remember back in like the 2000s, the early 2000s when I was like yay tall. It just gushes in your mouth, which is what you always want. Gushes. Sometimes I like how they're stuck together, like they didn't package it right. Looks like a snowman. Snowman's gone. So, 6 in a pack, $1.49, close to $2. Not bad for 6. They're great when you stay up late at night watching Rugrats. So, you know, I hope you enjoyed this review of Fruit Gushers, the original nostalgic snack, the Fresh Maker. Have a good day. I wish I had Fruit Gushers.